Hello, I wanted to come on really quick to show you how I did the little box underneath, just in case you don't have the measurements. So I do have my what is this called? The everything scoreboard from Real Memory Keepers. So you do have to cut your paper to color 6 by 12, okay? And then at the 6-inch part, you want to score it. This is the 6, as you can see. You want to score it at 2. And then at 4. Then you want to turn it around and you want to score it at 2.5. Turn it around again to where the other end is at 12 here, and again score it at 2.5. And then that's all the scoring you will do. Let me put this to the side. Now you want to cut right here. So I like to turn it around so that I can see what I'm doing. So I cut all the corners. To there. Then I want to slit a tiny little bit from here so that it can fall a little bit even. See? You're going to leave that gap. And you want to do that to all the sides. And I only cut here, so you want to again cut a little bit from that corner all the way to the end, and that's what you're gonna leave. So I did one so that you don't have to see me cutting. So these are done like that. So this one I bent in these corners and here and here. So now what I want to do is bring this over, and this side is going to be a little bit bigger than the other side. So you want to make sure that this is hitting the floor like that, that it's even. And then I come with a pencil. It might be an easier way to doing this, but this is how I did mine. And so I just make sure that it's nice and straight and it doesn't move, and I make a line, and then I take my cutter I'm going to flip this over, and I want to position that line so that I could cut the whole entire. And so now it's going to be even in all fours. Way. Look. I don't know why that one didn't come out even. So I want to do the same thing over here. I want to fold in my areas. Then I want to make a line. and I want to cut that line completely straight. And that's how you will have your little bottom box. And of course, I think I did something wrong here. I think I must have not cut this at 6. But this one, as you can see, it is even. Hopefully. Always when it's, see, it is even. Yep, definitely even. So, yep. So, that's how you make your box. And then, of course, I put, I decorated this side and I glued it on the sides. And then I just decorated with paper, with cardstock paper, and then I just glued the sides together. And when I glued it, I didn't put the box all the way down. I left a little area so that it could hold the box up. So if you want to make it even more sturdier, if you think it's not going to work, if your paper is not cardstock, I suggest you cut it first in 110-pound cardstock, and then you decorate it using the, you decorate it first, and then you glue it together, and then it'll be sturdy enough to hold whatever you're gonna put in the little caddy. So that's how I did mine, and I hope this is helpful to you, because I didn't see any videos out there using this die to do the bottom part of it. So I wanted to show you the little embellishments that I did, how I packed them up for Happy Mail. So I did add 2 of the embellishments and 1 of the paper clips in them. So I did that one, I did this one, and they are scrunched in here. And then the paper clip is always going to be in your left hand. And then the next one was this one. And the paper clip is there. And the next one is this one that I decorated. I packaged it. And then the last one is this one right here. And so that's gonna go for future Happy Mail. So that is it for my little short tutorial. Hope you liked it. Hope it was something that you was looking for, and I hope it helps you. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are not subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss future videos. And give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any comments, please leave it down below. And if you have the correct dimensions to the little box in the bottom, I would love for you to share it with me. So take care and have a good day. Bye bye.